Ubtan contains gram flour, a natural exfoliator that works wonderfully to remove dead skin cells, filth, and grime from the dermal tissues, as well as turmeric root extracts, which are well known for their potent antibacterial activities that battle allergies, rashes, and boils. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY Ubtan for skin bleaching. You will need 1 teaspoon of red lentils powder. Exotic Herbs Red Lentils powder helps in cleaning skin, fight acne, clears blackheads. It improves skin textures, lightens scars, removes wrinkles. This face pack can also be used as a daily face wash. It is suitable for all skin types. Half teaspoon of rice flour. Many studies have shown that rice flour has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant substances that help prevent skin aging, reduce the harmful effects of UV rays, promote skin lightening. Some skin care and hair care products also use rice starch to absorb excess oil. One teaspoon of gram flour helps in removing impurities and prevents breakouts or pimples by clearing the pores of your skin. Gram flour has great tan removal properties. The finely ground gram flour gently exfoliates the skin without causing any irritation. Add enough milk in these ingredients. Milk contains lactic acid that deep cleanses pores and removes acne-causing bacteria that get accumulated on the surface of the skin during the day. Using milk to cleanse the skin or as a face mask can help treat acne as well as reduce inflammation associated with pimples to give you clear and smooth skin. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply all over your face and neck. Wash it off after 20 minutes.